Back up top, guys, welcome again. Second part of the body kit install. The last video you saw the side skirts inter style not fitting perfectly, but we'll fix that coming soon later on. So what I've done so far, I thought I didn't loosen them up. They're actually loose. That's great. So I was able to remove the ones in the back are also loose. I'm just deciding not to take them out right now. The ones in the front, just took them out, and it was a little bit complicated with the tire, with the wheel and tire on. So let me show you what.
Hey guys, so the following couple of videos you're gonna see being uploaded to my channel are going to be videos that I filmed a while back from 2020 till 2021. Those videos I made did not upload. I wanted to get everything together first. Plus COVID hit, so I am actually filming this the same day that I'm uploading and editing that video. So yeah, so as you can see, some of the stuff in there is being edited and ready for upload to my YouTube channel. And so yeah, one of the things I did is I'm gonna upload the whole series of my BMW. Is what I'm gonna do, and the whole journey. It's gonna be a lot of things being explained as videos go through, but yes, I am still doing the giveaway of the 3 systems I'm gonna say later on, so stay put to that. Subscribe. Every subscriber that subscribes will go ahead and enter into the giveaway. But yeah, just pay attention to the video, and yeah, so this is just a little short notice of the video that the whole series of videos that I did back in 2020 and 2021, and we're still doing some stuff to the car currently, which is pretty much 95% close to finish. And I'm trying to do it. I did some changes, so you will see that on the videos coming up. But yes, everything should be explaining there, and I'll bring up more content soon, being uploaded to the channel. I also like to say thanks for 600 subs. It's been awesome. We just need 400 more to reach the 1,000 mark, which will be really awesome. So yeah, I appreciate that, guys. Yeah, watch the rest of the video.
So when we are gonna go ahead and change the front bumper today, and let me show you what we do here. So both sides are the same thing. Biggest difference is this one's gonna be a little bit tougher. The side of we have this vents because it's the oil cooler radiator, or whatever you want to call that, in whatever the oil cooler, yeah, radiator, I think you call that. Anyways, you have a bunch of these little bolts here, 8 mils, and around here. You're gonna have to remove all of those. You can barely see it because of the light, but there you go, right there. And you go around just up to here where you see the line, and then you see 2 of them. There's one right there. I did not remove that one back there, that's not needed. And you just wiggle about here, open up. There's 2 bolts. Let me show you where they are. This is just so tough here. It's plastic, whatever. So okay, so right up there is a hole, and right here there's a hole, and they're by the yellow light here, the amber light. So they're right on there. They're a bracket where they unite the fender and the bumper. They unite together. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. Well, I already did that. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is go under it. There's some at the bottom. I took out already, some are not, but they're pretty much these ones where they attach the bottom part to the bumper. So just take out all of them. There are a few that are missing on mine, which yeah, we'll have to see. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start removing those, and I'll show you what's next. Alright guys, I am working on the car right now, but I just wanted to let you know, everybody, that I am still giving away the AIRLIFT 3S system with a new tank, a $50 Amazon gift card, or whatever gift card you want for a restaurant, Best Buy, whatever. Just let me know which one you want. You're also getting a tank, the 3S system, the lines, the harnesses, pretty much everything you need. I bought the coils, So all you have to do is like this video. Subscribe is the most important thing because I announced it at 1,000 subscribers, so just go ahead and subscribe. Alright guys, so let's continue this. Let me show you what's going on. Alright. So here's what's gonna happen, guys. And let me show you the bumper unveil, and there it is. Nice, right? Nice, the bumper. It's nice. That kind of sounded like Schwarzenegger. Anyway, bumper's out right there. Blam. We're gonna delete the fog lights. I test fitted it a little bit. I removed the grills. They're like those chicken wire mesh grills, which is fine. I don't care. I have to paint them black, but big problem. You see that masking tape there? Well, under the line of the masking tape, if we want to put the bumper, because it's made for the M3, we have to cut. So I pull out the cutter. We have to cut the bottom part of that part of the bash bar, of the OEM bash bar. Good thing is just very thin at the bottom, so it's just like two pieces of sheet metal together. I just have to cut. After I cut, then I have to clean up, test fit it again, make sure everything works, and should be good to go. I hope it does fit now, because I don't want to buy a different bumper. I really like this bumper, and I don't want to build or have somebody build a bar on the front. So that's one of the things. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut. As I said, I don't have my tripod, but I'll show you guys. By the way, this bumper, the OEM has a hole for the headlamp washers. However, this car does not have headlamp washers, and I popped it out to see if it had. I never thought it did or didn't. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut and test fit it, make sure it fits well. It's gonna hang a little bit wider than it should, which is fine. We're gonna obviously wide body it, but because it's an M3 and M3 is a bit wider fenders, that's why the front bumper is a bit wider as well. So this part's gonna be wider, but it's gonna still look cool. So we're gonna make this work. I know we can. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you one.
Several days later.
Alright peeps, so this is the old bumper, and this was supposed to be the new bumper. I couldn't fit it, not gonna fit it. I'm done with that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the bumper. I mean, if you have an M3 and you like this bumper, hit me up on my DMs. I'll sell it for cheap. Just hit me up. Yeah, so M3 bumper, or yeah, just a few scuffs here. Nothing that paint and a little bit of sanding can't fix. I even sent you the grills and everything. And let me show you what I went ahead and went with. And I did not want to go, as I said before, with the M3 style bumper. Like, look at this, it's an M3, because it looks like an M3, and my car is not an M3, it's a 335, it's an M54. So here is what I went ahead and went with: the M Sport M Tech bumper. I am going to go ahead and put the caps, of course, and this comes with no grills. I doubt the OEM with grills would work, so I have to order the OEM grills, which are going to be added after paint. And the parking sensors, this car has no parking sensors. Good thing they sell the parking sensor plugs, which is good. I do have to do some fitting in here because this is sticking out too much, so I just have to push it in. But as far as anything else, to me it looks pretty good, this bumper. Of course, soon a lift will go under that, a very aggressive one. You guys will see it on the channel when I'm installing it. There's gonna be post paint. So next video, guys, so this is installed pretty much. I mean, it's mostly installed. I'm gonna have to take it off and on a few times because of fitment adjustment. The sides, fit well. This side and this side, the fitment is pretty spot on. I just have to fix this on front because this is sticking out too much. And of course, the hood is scratching shit, but nothing that good. Paint job and sanding and everything else is gonna be done to the car. Of course, ducts and everything is all hanging because it's a little big overhaul here. But paint shouldn't take too long after body kit is on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to. What matters to me the most right now, because that doesn't matter that doesn't matter to me right now at the moment that much. The nose here, this piece here. Because what matters to me right now is this size here, because it's where the fender is gonna go, the wide body fender. And I don't think I'm gonna use this amber looking reflectors, because of course a wide body is gonna go over that. So yeah, next step guys is gonna be the body kit. So this was the most important part here, the fitment here on the corners, and same thing on the other side. I'm gonna start putting the wide body on it on the next video, and you guys will be able to see it. Let me just flip the camera around. So the car, the front end, is pretty much all said and done. New video will be coming soon. A whole series of videos of the body kit install. Of course the bottom part is not installed, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So remember to subscribe, like the video, and remember I'm giving away the 3S system, US and Canada. Both are counting on this giveaway. So if you live in Canada or live in the US, I'm gonna go ahead and give that away. The 3S air system. So subscribe, leave a comment, and like these videos. And there'll be a lot more giveaways. So see you in the next video. Peace.